Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, we say a very big welcome to you. A quick one, in case the question you asked me, indeed, I was really impressed and I decided to come here and drop the video. Like as I told you guys, if I have any question, please kindly drop it on the comment box. Are you getting? Don't come to my WhatsApp and ask me such questions. That is not a business. All right. So a quick one, like as I said, this is the lotion you asked about, which is a strong lightning beauty milk. Okay. This is one beauty milk lotion. I will always tell you, please always have this in mind. If you know that you're the type that you love lightening or whitening and you're looking for a perfect lotion I swear to get without side effect or dark spot or any of those or what I would like call it, like any of those sign of white patches, or how will I put it, there are a lot of things that you don't like for yourself for a lotion to be given as a side effect and you don't like. You can as well drop those lotion and go for this lotion. All right, is a lotion that I can always advise you to go for. There are a lot of lotion I will advise you to go for, but this one particularly, this one is a lotion that is very good because I've used it to customize a cream for somebody and I see the result up till now. The person is still using it. All right, yes, strong lightning beauty milk, yes, with argan oil. I will always advise you to go for this one. I have other ones I will show you too, but mostly for customize. They have a lot of benefits that I want you to use it for yourself, and you tell me, so Ikechi, go for this one, go for this one. I've used it to promise it's very good. Yes, now I told you about this one. This pure secret Egyptian and secret kojic. So this one also, these are the three questions you ask. I will show the third lotion. This one is still okay. Despite it has this color. We have different colors, like I told you about it. And different, you can be using them. They're all good, no side effect. That one you said it actually gave you white patches. That one is not the original. Sorry, dear, it's not the original. So make sure you use this one. All right, make sure you use one. You can use the one with the color is just like milk color for the body. All right, that one is still good also. So for those of us who said we are allergic to this, it's not, I wouldn't say that's a lie. No, it could be truth. All right, so anything with carrots that you said, oh, but sometimes you might just try something else. Okay, apparently because you just try something else and it gave you this buff. Nevertheless, so you have a lot of, it's a two sideways thing. So you can as well try this, or maybe be using the one you used before. If it give you any side effect, then you can stop it. Other than that, this is a very nice lotion. So if you have anything you want to ask us, you can always drop your comments. Go to the comment section and drop all the questions you feel like to ask. So we remain Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And also you can check us on our website, you can check us on our Instagram and Facebook and all that. All right, we ship everywhere. We international, we global, for retalk, you know what I mean. So if you know that you want to know about more in skincare, you can also just join our training. We'll be starting on Monday. All right, so after that we give you certificate and all that. My customers in Canada, UK, Europe, I salute all of you. Thanks a lot for patronizing us. We appreciate all of your effort. All right, we appreciate all of your effort. So stay in peace. Till some other time I come your way. Thank you.